Culminating Project, EDU 100 by Zoe Holcomb. Canvas. Canvas is the website that our teachers use to put our assignments in. The teacher uses it for any announcements that they need to make about class, assignments, and due dates. Canvas provides you with a calendar of each month telling you what is due in each class what day. Canvas allows you to contact other students in your class if you need help or to do group projects. Canvas also calculates the grades for your overall average, too, for that class. BlazerNet. BlazerNet is a place where you look to find out how much money is due on your account. It tells you also how many holds are on your account and what the holds are for. It also allows you to look at your overall GPA and let you see what classes are required to take to account for your GPA. It also allows you to see who your academic advisor is and how you can contact them and find them on campus. It lets you register for your classes for the next semester. It shows you all the information you need about your Blazer information, such as your Blazer ID, your B number, and your where to get your one card at. College Words to Know. College helps students develop into a mature, responsible, independent adult citizens. You have an academic advisor, which is a member of the faculty member who provides advice and guidance on academic matters such as your course selection. A major. Your major is an area of specialization consisting of a number of courses in a discipline of study chosen by undergraduate students. A transcript. It is an official record of students' performance at the institution. Plagiarism is the illegal use of another person's words or ideas as your own without acknowledging that person and asking for permission. Campus safety. UAB is very big on campus safety. This school is big on campus safety for all their students and the people who work for them. They care for more than just anyone, not just their students and faculty members. They care for everyone around their campus. They provide these help call buttons placed all over the entire campus for people to press in case of emergency situations, and that help call button immediately calls the cops and allows them to know exactly where you are at that time. They have a Blazer Express bus for students to ride during the day to class and to their cars when finished with class. Also, there's a Blazer Escort service to call for late hours of all of the night when leaving the library from late night of studying or homework. Stern Library. Stern Library is the main library of the two we have on campus. Stern has 3 different levels that you can spend your time in doing homework or studying for exams. It has study rooms for students to go in as a group or work on assignments. It also has Starbucks connected to for when students need to go when they need a snack or a coffee to keep them going while working hard on their work. There are different levels because the main floor people don't have to be quiet, the second floor is a more group studying area but can talk, and the third floor is a quiet area. The University Writing Center. The University Writing Center is a place where students can go for extra help on classwork. I've had a personal experience with the Writing Center helping me on my English essays. Throughout this whole entire semester, they have been such a great help to me. They are only open during certain hours of the day. You have to schedule an appointment online to be able to meet with a tutor. You can pick your certain tutor you like or just randomly pick one and not care which one you choose. Campus involvement. Our school is big on campus involvement to make sure that people are making friends. I'm an active student by being a student trainer for the football team. By being an active student trainer, I've learned more skills about learning the degree that I want to be and pursue. I've made friends by joining my sorority and being involved with other organizations on campus. I've been an active helper by volunteering at Blazer Kitchen that gives back to our students and help people of the city. Study habits. Major important thing for college students is to study for your classes. You have to plan a time out of each day of the week to work and study hours and time to do your homework. A bad study habit for me is to sit in my own room because I can find so many things to distract me. I'll start watching TV, I'll fall asleep, I'll play on my phone. That's why it's very best for me to go to the library and do my work. I learned that highlight isn't always the best way to study because you can forget stuff you highlighted. So I figured out that I need to write stuff down in order to remember it better when studying. Student health and mental health. If you're having a problem and need to contact the student health, you can reach them at 205-934-3580. The student health building does not give allergy testing, mixing of extracts, and hormone therapy, and instruction. The mental health people can help you figure out what is going on with you and tell you if you're stressed out, for an example. I've learned that 1 in 4 young adults aged 18 to 24 have diagnosable mental illness. Diversity. America's education system is still at a struggle to providing all kids with equal opportunities between ethics and race. An increase in child attendance was observed by the increase of leadership roles. The diversity policy is focused on helping to improve the teacher workforce and to support empowered schools. In order for the diversity in schools, the staff and other students must work together. Children who find similarities within a teacher tend to feel more comfortable in the learning environment. Service learning and education. UAB is very big on service learning experiences for their students. One way UAB offers service learning is by allowing students to use their medical training in their own ways. The way UAB prepares their students to enter the work field in real world by giving them hands-on opportunities learning service learning and internships. For example, my service learning is by being a student trainer and learning hands-on how to do stuff for being a future athletic trainer. UAB is very culturally involved and helps to ensure everyone is able to be involved no matter the background. The end.